Transparency mode on. Whoa! Whoa, this is crazy. This is crazy. What is going on, guys? My name is Elías, also known as the Lemon Boy, and in this video we will be unboxing the brand new AirPods Max in the house. I decided to unbox them in black and in white, but they actually come in 5 colors, are the brand new iPad Air colors. Super excited to see if they're actually worth it because they are very pretty expensive, starting at over $500. So I'm so excited. Black is heads, white is tail. Siri, heads or tails?
It's heads.
All right, and black it is. We will be unboxing the black one first. I'm so excited right now. I'm seriously so excited. So the AirPods Max come with a bunch of features, including high fidelity audio, adaptive equalizer, active noise cancellation, spatial audio, and of course the H1 chip like we see on the AirPods Pro. I'm seriously, it's here. This is the first time that I'm actually ever seeing them in person. I have not gone to the Apple Store. 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's see what's in the box, but wow. All right, before we go ahead and check them out, what's in the box, we get a pamphlet with, please tell me there's Apple stickers. Please tell me there are no Apple stickers inside of the AirPods Max. What is this? 2020, will you stop it? Lightning to USB-C cable, and sadly we do not get a power brick. So, you know, these earphones are pretty expensive and we do not have a power brick. All right, and without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the AirPods Max. Let's go ahead and get rid of this paper. Wow, I'm seriously so hyped. How do you get rid of this? Okay, here they are. I'm not a big fan of this case that, you know, the AirPods Max actually come in. First off, because it's not really protective. You know, a point of a case is to actually travel with them and to, you know, be protective. So this kind of feels like a purse. This kind of feels like a bra. This kind of feels like a lot of things, but it's very, very good quality either way. And you've actually got this tiny hole like this. You can actually charge them because this AirPods Max, they actually charge via lightning. This is magnetic. All right, let's do this. I'm actually getting rid of them now. This is the first time that I'm ever pulling them off. Wow, they're actually pretty lighter than I thought. The inside of the case kind of has this sunglass case feeling of it. Case feels pretty good material, like it's tough and resistant, but you know, it's not protective. Anyways, can we please stop talking about the case because we've got these beautiful headphones. Oh, that's pretty funny. You actually got these protectors over here. I'm just not ready. I'm not ready. Like, these headphones are so beautiful. I actually really like them in black, and wow, this feels so good. This feels so good. This is so cold. Look at them, they just feel so incredibly premium. And over here, we've actually got the digital crown and the side button. And the digital crown feels amazing. It's clicky, and the side button is actually very clicky. Ooh, that's nice. That's super nice. By the way, now that I'm thinking, I'm actually gonna be unboxing the AirPods Max in white over on my Instagram. So if you guys wanna go ahead and check out the unboxing, it will be over there on my Instagram Reels. But don't worry, I'll be actually showing you the way that it looks at the end after I finish the unboxing of this white. But wow, okay, let's do this. Okay, and here we go. The AirPods Max have officially been connected. It's asking me noise control. Press the noise control button to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Spatial audio, done. Okay, AirPods Max have actually been connected. Let's do this. This is the first time that I'm ever listening to these bad boys. Whoa. Okay, the fit. I cannot hear myself. Let's go ahead and put transparency mode on. Whoa! Whoa, this is crazy. This is crazy. Like on the AirPods Pro, transparency mode is like on, you feel it, it's great. But in this, it's like a whole other level. Like I can hear myself with such clarity. This is total insanity. Okay, I'm gonna put, I cannot hear myself. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm screaming. This is the first time that I'm ever gonna listen to music. Okay, I'm actually gonna pull up What If I playlist. I'm gonna go ahead and tap Not in English. Let's put J Balvin. Oh, baby. I'm turning up the volume and turn it down via the digital crown. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Check this out. When I turn up and turn down the volume on the digital crown, it's so smooth. You actually hear like this tiny sound when you actually turn up and turn down the volume with the digital crown. Okay, supposedly when I take them off, they should pause, and when should I put them back on, they should play again. Let's do that. Wow, yes, they do that. And then when I put it back again. Yeah, baby. Wow. Okay, I don't want to say a conclusion and letting you know if they're worth it or not, because they are worth a lot of money, and of course I got to test them out further. But my first impressions on the AirPods Max is that they are the most beautifully and most well-built headphones I've personally ever used. Wow, I almost dropped them. Like literally every small detail, everything is just so smooth. This top is so satisfying to pull, and it seems pretty sturdy. All right, so I just unboxed the AirPods Max in white over on my Instagram, so links in the description for that unboxing, my Instagram reel. Be sure to follow me over there as well. And I have to say, these guys are absolutely beautiful as well, and I usually always like white Apple products better, but this just feels so much premium than white. Here's a close-up of them. They are so incredibly beautiful. They will get dirty as well. One thing that I haven't shown about the AirPods Max is that by just simply doing that, you can actually switch the ear cups. So I've got my black over here, so you can actually have a piano look over here. You can just mix and match, and you can actually buy them separately, which is pretty cool. I love this. This reminds me of the Apple Watch so much. How Apple has just changed this. Like, this mechanism is so simple, so intuitive. It's kind of funny that, you know, nobody else has thought on such a simple solution of this. I mean, just look at this one more time. It's so easy. You just boom, boom, boom. Oh wait, actually, here's the moment that you were waiting for. Here's Grogu. Let's put on the AirPods Max to Grogu. Grogu, how do you like the AirPods Max? Seriously, name a cuter duo. I'll wait.
My darling.